Hey guys, welcome back to WP Event Manager. And this is a follow-up video about the backup solutions or manual backup process for your WordPress website using Web Host Default File Manager or FTP. Okay. Previously, I showed you how to take an backup for your database that's related to WordPress installation. And today it's like a follow-up video for that about how to take backup for your WordPress files manually. So for that, I'm logged in over here inside my web host control panel, and I'm gonna use the file manager over here to export the files or the take a backup for the files of my WordPress installation, right? So basically, you don't have to do this manually at all. If you have a decent enough host, they will do that automatically for you. Like all the files inside your public HTML and all the databases will get backed up periodically. Let's say each 2 days they will back it up for you, or let's say every week they will back it up for you. But this, since it's a manual process, I'm going to show you how you can do it manually. Okay, so you have like a bit more control and know what's going on behind the scene as well. So all we need to back up inside, you can actually back up this public HTML directory if you want directly, but that's gonna give a little bit of hassle when you are restoring the files. So instead, we're gonna go inside the public HTML and we're gonna select all this file over here and we're gonna click on compress. So every major web host file manager will have a compress function built into their file manager, right? And you can do that as well in the FTP. So I'm gonna select the zip archive and I'm gonna name the zip archive as backup. Then I'm gonna click on compress file. So this UI might be a little different for you depending on the hosting panel you're using, but function should be very similar. Okay. So give it a little bit of second and the backup will get created depending on how many media files you have in the WordPress website. So be a little patient when you are backing up like a large enough or like heavy enough website. Okay. Since this website over here is pretty new and doesn't have that much content, it backed up pretty like quickly, I might say. And all you have to do, let's download this file. Okay, so the file over here it's getting downloaded. We can remove the backup file from the server if you want, so right? So let's remove it. And let's say in some catastrophic failure, you lose some of your crucial files in a WordPress environment. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna simulate the scenario over here by intentionally deleting the WP includes folder. So this is a major folder that plays a crucial role in WordPress installation. So I'm gonna remove it, and that should theoretically generate an error for us in the WordPress website. So let's reload, and yes, we see an error 500 in the WordPress website. So this is pretty standard, and this is what exactly I anticipated. So let's say a data crash or like data loss happens, you lose some of your crucial files. It don't have to be WP includes. You might lose like your media files as well. Uh, I'm just saying over here, I don't really want to happen to any of you. I know how data loss feels like and how hard it is to like get your website back up and running. So this is a simulation. So in case you lose your files, you can just take your latest backup file and click on upload inside your file manager and drag it in. Then wait a little bit depending on the file size you're uploading. When the upload is completed, we can close it. Then we're gonna expand or decompress the zip file we have just uploaded. Okay, so we can click on decompress. We're gonna click on yes. Then it will go ahead and inflate or decompress the zip file in this directory of itself. Okay, so since we have done that, and now we can reload this page and we should theoretically have our WordPress website back. So that's how easy it is to back up your WordPress files like manually. So when we combine this method and the database export method all together, we have a free of cost manual solid backup solution that you can like take backup anytime, you can restore anytime as well. So very effective, and you will actually know what you are doing. So this is like towards making you guys a little more advanced towards WordPress and let's say hosting techniques out there. So this will give you a little bit of knowledge about how to like do certain stuff with WordPress. Let's say the zipping and like manual exporting, manually like restoring the WordPress website. And in layman's term, you will have like a little bit more knowledge about what's going on behind the scenes. So I hope this video helped you out even a little bit. If you did, leave a like, leave a comment, share this video with your friends. And until next time, I'm saying goodbye. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.